the thought was, well, why can't undergraduate teaching be interdisciplinary as well? Why can't we house biology, physics, chemistry labs, earth and atmospheric sciences in one building or next to each other? Reused a lot of the cabinetry, and we were able to do that because those labs were renovated over time for research. So the first floor had a lot of research labs that were renovated between 2011 and 2015. So there were relatively new cabinetry sitting there, so we just had to repurpose those and move them to where we needed to. You can't by default just look at a building and go, oh, this is junk, we just need to demolish it. Like, a lot of these buildings have what they call great bones, so there's a lot of infrastructure. I liken it sometimes, I joke about it being like HGTV Lab Edition. Like you first come in and go, oh, I hate this is horrible, but then you come in after a couple of years of renovation process and go, wow, like I had no idea that Boggs could look like this. We've heard that many times.